What if the stars are not campfires, but the distant glow of prisons we have yet to discover? We look up and see a comforting blanket of light, each star a destination, a sun with its own family of worlds. But this comfort is a story, a lullaby in the face of immense darkness, holding secrets older and stranger than we imagine. Something is out there, moving in the shadows, just beyond our reach, a presence defined by its absence of light. We are children of the light, huddling around our small fire. But what if the real story is happening out there, in the cold and the quiet? The silence of space is not empty. It's full of things we cannot see, a library of whispers too faint for our ears. We listen for signals, hoping for a message, but the silence that answers us is profound. We send our own whispers, golden records, greetings, into the void, like messages in a bottle. The silence swallows our voices, reminding us of our solitude. Is the silence empty, or are we just not listening the right way? Perhaps it's a mirror, reflecting our own cosmic deafness. Space is not just the stage for stars and galaxies. It's mostly emptiness, stretching farther than we can imagine. Our galaxy is a tiny raft in an ocean of nothingness, and our existence is a brief spark in the cosmic night. Human history is a blink in the universe's timeline. Our purpose isn't given. We must build it ourselves, here on our small island in the sun. The universe is expanding, and one day, the sky will grow dark. In that darkness, we must find our own light. We've always believed a planet needs a star, a sun to give it light and warmth, a gravitational anchor. This is the model of our own solar system, and the model we've used to search for other worlds. But what if most planets do not have a star? What if they are orphans, cast out by gravitational chaos, rogue planets, drifting alone through the cold, black void? These worlds travel in straight lines through interstellar darkness, detectable only when they briefly magnify a distant star's light. For a long time, we thought these worlds would be nothing more than frozen, dead rocks. But now, we believe rogue planets could be far more numerous than the stars themselves. Thousands for every star you see in the night sky. The galaxy could be teeming with them, a hidden population of cold, dark worlds. They are the rule, not the exception. Our own solar system might be the real anomaly. We may live in a quiet, well-lit suburb of a galaxy that is mostly a dark, sprawling wilderness, filled with these silent, solitary travelers. The true nature of the cosmos is not light, but darkness. The space between the stars is not empty, it's crowded with secrets. And we are only beginning to see the shadows move. What else is out there, wandering in the eternal night? If rogue planets are just frozen wastelands, they're a cosmic curiosity. But what if their icy shells hide a secret? The same forces that cast them out could give them internal heat, gravitational tugs, radioactive decay, enough to maintain a liquid ocean beneath a thick crust of ice. Imagine a world of eternal darkness, with no sun, no sky, only a vast, hidden ocean warmed from below. Life on Earth began in the oceans, clustered around hydrothermal vents, feeding on chemical energy, not sunlight. Could the same process happen in the dark oceans of a rogue planet? Could life arise and evolve for billions of years in total isolation? It would mean life does not need a star or light, only water and energy. These ingredients could be present in countless worlds, drifting unseen through the galaxy. Life might not be rare, but a common, inevitable outcome of planetary formation, a tenacious force that takes root in the most unlikely places. The universe could be fundamentally alive, but in a way we've been blind to. The most common form of life in the galaxy might be utterly alien, evolved in darkness and crushing pressure, with no concept of light or sky. If we ever encountered such life, would we even recognize it? And what would we say to a consciousness born in a hidden ocean, a billion miles from the nearest star? How would we react to the knowledge that our cosmic neighbors are hidden away in dark, icy worlds forever beyond our reach? We might detect hints of these hidden oceans, even signs of life, but we could never go there. It would be a truth given as a whisper, a rumor from the cosmos, cracking the foundations of our reality. Our religions, philosophies, and science are built on the idea that we matter. This discovery would tell us otherwise. The main story of life in the cosmos might be happening elsewhere, among beings we can never know. We would be reduced to spectators, watching a play from an impossible distance. Are we ready for such a truth, or is the silence of space a form of protection? I try to imagine a world that has never known a sunrise, a world where the only light is the faint, geothermal glow from the planet's own heart. In that endless dark water, I imagine a mind, consciousness evolved over 1 billion years, with no stars to guide it, no sun to warm it. Its senses would be shaped by darkness and pressure, its thoughts by the slow, patient rhythms of a world without days or seasons. Would such a mind ever develop a concept of the universe, or would its reality be confined to the watery prison of its homeworld? Perhaps it would worship the warmth of the core, tell stories of the great cold ceiling of ice above. It would be a mind that has mastered its own world, but has no idea a larger universe exists. And then I think about us, given a window to the cosmos, yet so often looking down, not up. In a strange way, that hidden world is a mirror, reflecting our own limitations and self-imposed blindness. The being in that dark ocean is trapped by ice. We are trapped by the ceiling of our own minds. The rogue planet is a dark reflection, showing us not what is out there, but what is inside us. A universe of possibility yet to be explored. The discovery of these dark worlds would be like finding a crack in a perfectly smooth wall. At first, it's just a tiny line, easy to ignore. But once you've seen it, you can't unsee it. Soon, you see other cracks, the whole wall revealed as a fragile facade. This is what rogue planets would do to our perception of reality. A fundamental crack in our understanding, letting in a chilling draft of uncertainty. Our science is a story we tell about the world, a good, useful story, but still incomplete. What if the most common phenomena in the universe are happening in places we cannot observe? The existence of life in the dark would suggest our story is missing its main character. This would force us to confront the limits of knowledge itself. The universe of rogue planets is a universe of hidden things, where the most profound truths may be permanently inaccessible. The cosmos is not a puzzle to be solved, but a mystery to be lived with. The cracks in our sky reveal not a clearer picture, but an infinite abyss of questions. And we are left to wonder what else might be lurking in that darkness, just beyond the reach of our light. We stand at a pivotal moment, our telescopes peering deeper into the darkness than ever before. We listen for whispers from the void, searching for connection, for a sign that we are not alone. The idea of life in the eternal dark is more than science. It's a philosophical challenge. We are the anomaly, the exception, and yet we are here. We wonder. As we stand on the edge of cosmic awareness, a final question echoes. What, then, is the purpose of the light?